The 555 timer IC is an integrated circuit used in a variety of timer, delay, pulse generation, and oscillator applications. The 555 timer will remain in this state until the voltage across the capacitor reaches 2 by 3 of the supplied voltage. The maximum frequency range of the 555 timer IC in astable mode is from 500 kHz to 2 MHz. This is a 8-pin IC. First pin is ground, second pin is trigger, third pin is output, fourth pin is reset, fifth pin used for control voltages, sixth pin threshold, seventh pin discharge, and 8th pin VCC. The CD4017 IC is a decade counter that counts to 10. It has 10 outputs that represent the numbers 0 to 9. The counter increases with one of every rising clock pulse. After the counter has reached 9, it starts again from 0 with the next clock pulse. As we know, CD4017 is a 16-pin CMOS decade counter. It takes the clock signal from the clock input and turns on the 10 output in sequence each time when it receives clock input pulses. Initially, when power is applied, the CD4017 is typically reset to output 0. For more tutorials, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get all notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching.